right now. Yes, I would recommend that we do the event between the 13th and the 15th of next month. Yeah, yes, exactly. That will give us enough time to plan properly and execute it the way that you want to. Yes, absolutely. Okay. All right. As for the theme, what were you thinking? Oh, yeah, we could definitely do that. That's a great idea. Yes. Oh, he's the one to, okay. All right, I will definitely check in with him. And yeah, we can definitely come up with something together. Yeah. Yes, I think he's coming in at about 3. Okay, okay, what else would you like?